Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial about the cross-section data editing options available through the right-click menu. In this video, you will learn right-click options in the cross-section grid. While editing cross-section data, we may need to make small changes to a cross-section. In such cases, you can use the following options. When you select a particular cross-section, the respective cross-section data will be available in a grid format just below the drawing preview screen. You can modify distances and values of the cross-section data for up to 20 layers. When you change a distance or level and refresh the drawing, you can visually see the modified cross-section. There are some more options provided in the mouse right-click menu. A. Insert a row. B. Delete a row. C. Find value. D. Cutting and filling. Now, let's see what insert a row does. If you wish to insert a value at another distance, say you have levels at distances 2 and 4.5, and you want to insert another level at distance 3.75, then select Insert Row, specify the distance as 3.75, and enter the level you want to insert. If you want the software to automatically find the level at distance 3.75 based on the available values, click the Interpolate button next to the value text box. Select the layer and specify the distance. The interpolated value will be displayed. Once you enter the distance and level, you can insert the row of data by clicking the OK button. B. Delete a row. Right-click on the grid after selecting the row you want to delete. C. Find value. You can find an interpolated value at any given distance with respect to the selected layer based on the available values. D. Cutting and filling. By selecting this option, you can determine the cutting or filling value at each offset available in the cross-section between the area calculation layers. In the next video, you will learn how to rename the available cross-sections. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.